welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog from the car. And today is Vlogmas Day 4. Yeah, I'm on my way. Like you can see, I'm on my way. Today I think we're going to take a little break from the house because I think the past 3-4 days we are always in the house 24 hours, but today we have very exciting things that are happening. Okay, so today we have very exciting things happening. I'm going to meet my friend now. It's around 2 o'clock. I'm going to meet my friend now for lunch, and I'm meeting her after 10 years. Like we studied together in my inter, and then uske baad in our +1 and +2, and then later on I never met her. I'm meeting her now. It's been like 10 years. I am feeling so old on myself. Right after that, I do have to attend another wedding today. It's Akshita's brother's wedding, so we're gonna do that as well. So today is gonna be jam-packed vlogmas. Oh my god, I'm really excited for today. Anyways, yeah, I'm all ready. Let's go meet her. I don't know whether she'll be okay to come on camera or no, but I'll try to vlog as much as I can. So, yeah. Let's go. Such lovely song, huh? Hi Shanky. कितने Hi Karthik. Karthik, ఎవరు వచ్చారో తెలుసా నీకు?
Sankirtana.
I told you. I don't know how much of our talking and all of that I have captured, but my dear God, I realized we were literally talking about things that have happened from our inter, and some things are just nostalgia, be it anything, be it love or be it studies, finances, and from having a lot of drama in our lives to talking about finances and careers and letting go of people who are not that good to your life or anything like that. It was fun today. Oh my dear God, the amount of... Also, we went to Camelot. It's in Hapsiguda and it's good. I like the peri-peri fries. Those are very good. But I enjoyed the time a lot with this. And so basically, we always call her Shanky, okay? That's gotten like a habit, but her name is Sankirtana. I'm all ready and I'm on my way to the reception. I had to be there by 8 and it's 8:12 now, so clearly I'm nowhere close. I think I have another 30 minutes to go. But yeah, I'm all ready. I think this dress was not even in my thought at all. I saw a thumbnail when I was creating the thumbnail. I saw this picture and I was like, oh, I can wear this like a lehenga, and the chunni, the one that I'm wearing now, the lehenga, the choli, the chunni part of it, I actually took it from my friend from Shanky. Just I met I took it from her and I mixed and matched everything possible. I think this is the first time in my life I'm wearing my normal westerns like shoes under it. I am not wearing like good platform heels kind of a thing because I have to drive, and actually Karthik had to come, but he was not well, so he ditched me. So yeah, let's go to the shadi. The dedication of an elder sister. Suchit, asal dedication chestunnava dandi? An elder sister. Hi guys, I got back home. I'm extremely tired. I'm so exhausted. Yeah, and I just want to sleep now. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running.